Yeah, for, I, like the rest of the panel members here, KPIs are critical, right? You have to measure using KPIs and continue to measure. You're going to only know whether you're going to get better by looking at those KPIs. But one of the challenges I've seen, it used to be a long time ago that people were like, oh, I got this model, and you didn't know whether it was good. You know? And you're like, oh, yay, you threw it in there. But you have to measure the model, you have to feed it back into your KPIs. We've talked about a bunch of KPIs here, but there are so many. There's timeliness, uniqueness, consistency, accuracy, the list freshness. I mean, actually, stale data, right? That is an important one. You make a decision on bad data, that's a problem, right? So KPIs, you have to have them. No, you just have to have them.